Hi everyone, I am Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. In this video, I will discuss the branch wise and category wise cutoff for NIT Kurukshetra. It is one of the best NIT of India. Here I will discuss the branch wise and category wise cutoff for home state as well as other state. That means you will get the cutoff for each and every category for a particular branch. So watch this video till the end to get all this information completely, and if you have any doubt do ask in the comment section, and if you are first to my channel please subscribe it so that you will get this type of information for other NITs also. And for many such videos check the I button as well as the description box. So let's come to the point. NIT Kurukshetra for CSE branch general category cutoff for other state is 6300 and for home state it is 7200. For OBC category the other state cutoff is 2280 and for home state it is 2839. For SC category the cutoff is 1200 for other state and for home state it is 1500. Now for ST category the cutoff for other state is 575 and for home state it is 3400. For EWS category there is no seat reserved for EWS category in this college. Now for BTech Information Technology the other state cutoff for general category goes to 7200 and for home state it is 8700. For OBC category the cutoff for other state is 2700 and for home state it is 4000. For SC category the other state cutoff is 14041 and for home state it is almost 2000. For ST category the cutoff is 10145 for other state and for home state it is 7746. For EWS category the cutoff is 888 and for home state the cutoff is 1000. For EC branch general category other state cutoff goes to 11,500 and for home state it is almost 14,000. For OBC category the cutoff is 3600 for other state and 6000 for home state. Now for SC category the other state cutoff is 2300 for home state it is almost 4000. Now for ST category the cutoff for other state is 1100 and for home state it is almost 27,000. Now for EWS category the cutoff for other state is almost 1400 and for home state it is almost 1800. Now talk about electrical engineering. For general category other state cutoff goes to 15,000, home state cutoff goes to 18,300 and for OBC category other state cutoff is 5100 and home state cutoff is 8000. Now for SC category the other state cutoff is 2500 and for home state cutoff is 5200. For SC category the cutoff for other state is 1200 and for home state it is almost 27,000. Now for EWS category there is no reserve seat for this branch. Now for mechanical engineering the cutoff for other state general category goes to 17,000 and for home state it is 21,000. For other state OBC 5700 and for home state OBC it is 8300. Now SC category other state cutoff is 3152 and home state cutoff is 5500. Now for ST category The other state cutoff is 1100 and for home state cutoff it is 32,800. And for EWS category, the cutoff is 2265 for other state, and for home state the cutoff is 3000. Now talk about the civil engineering branch. The general category other state cutoff is 25,800, and for home state it is 32,000. And for OBC category the cutoff for other state goes to 7,500, for home state it is 12,000. And for SC category the cutoff for other state is 3,800, and for home state it is 6,200. Now for ST category the other state cutoff is 564, and home state cutoff is 31,000. And for EWS category the other state cutoff is 3,242, and home state cutoff is 4,772. Now BTech Industrial and Management. Industrial Engineering and Management, the general category cutoff goes to almost 32,000, and for home state it is 40,000, and for OBC other state the cutoff is 10,000, for home state it is 14,000, for SC category other state 5,600, and for home state 7,600, and for ST category other state 2,900, and there is no seat reserved for home state. And for EWS category the cutoff is 4,400 for other state, and for home state it is 5,300. So this is the cutoff for NIT Kurukshetra. Now